Welcome back. We are still on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we learned how to find the gradient of a straight line joining two points. In this video, we are going to learn about the equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. Let's consider this diagram once again. We have a straight line drawn in the xy plane. Let's say that a point A with coordinates x1, y1 falls on the straight line. Another point B with coordinates x2, y2 falls on the straight line. Another point C with coordinates x3, y3 falls on the straight line. And another point D with coordinates s4, y4 falls on the straight line. If you have a straight line like this, the coordinates of all the points that fall on the straight line follow a certain rule or formula. So, for the straight line that we have in our diagram here, the coordinates of point A, point B, point C, and point D will all follow a certain rule or formula. This rule or formula is known as the equation of the line. So once again, considering this line, the coordinates of point A, B, C, and D will all follow a certain rule or formula known as the equation of the line. What this means is that when you draw a straight line, the coordinates of every point that falls on the straight line follows a certain rule or formula, and this formula or rule is known as the equation of the line. So the coordinates of every point that falls on the straight line satisfies or follows the equation of the line. Let's learn more about the equation of a straight line. The equation of a straight line is a linear equation. In the video on Introduction to Linear Equation, I explained linear equation into details. In that video, we learned that in a linear equation, the highest power of the variable in the equation is 1. So because the equation of a straight line is also a linear equation, in the equation of a straight line, the highest power of the variable is 1. The equation of a straight line is usually expressed in the form y is equal to ms plus c. So generally, the equation of a straight line is given in the form y is equal to ms plus c. When you express the equation of a straight line in this form, that is y is equal to ms plus c, m will give you the gradient of the line. In the previous video, we learned how to find the gradient of a line joining two points. So when you have the equation of a straight line and you express it in the form y is equal to ms plus c, m is the gradient or slope of the line. Also, when the equation of a straight line is expressed in the form y is equal to ms plus c, c is the intercept on the y-axis or the y-intercept. The intercept on the y-axis or the y-intercept is the point on the y-axis where the line intercepts or cuts the y-axis. What this means is that when you draw the straight line, it will cut the y-axis at a certain point. That point is known as the y-intercept. So here, for this straight line, it cuts the y-axis at this point. We are saying that when you express the equation of a line in the form y is equal to ms plus c, c will give you the y-intercept or the intercept on the y-axis. So for this straight line, it cuts the y-axis at this point. So the value here is c. So when you express the equation of a line in the form y is equal to ms plus c, m, which is the coefficient of x, will give you the gradient of the line, and c will give you the intercept on the y-axis or the y-intercept. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to apply what you have learned in this video to solve some questions. Bye bye.